In this video, let us see how to extract unique dates from a list in Excel. In this example, I have some due dates by person wise, and in the last video we have seen the way to count unique dates by a condition. But here let us try extracting those unique dates from a list. So in cell E5, type the formula as equals to lookup, open the parenthesis, 2, 1 slash, open the parenthesis, countif, open the parenthesis, E4, lock the row reference, colon, E4, comma, C5 to C12, lock the references, close the parenthesis, equals to 0, close the parenthesis, comma, again select the range as C5 to C12 and again lock the references, close the parenthesis and press enter, and then drag the formula till the bottom until you get the hash NA. Delete this hash NA cell and there you go. This is the final list of unique dates. So in this way you can extract unique dates from a list in Excel. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.